Imagine transforming your blank TV screen or wall art space into this beautiful art that instantly elevates your room's vibe. Whether it's serene landscape, glowing sunsets, or something totally different, you can create art like this in seconds with AI. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Asasi, and welcome back to my channel, where I showcase the best AI tools for creatives just like you. Today, we're exploring the landscape art command in Artisan AI, a tool that makes designing wide format artwork for TVs or large wall spaces easier than ever. Whether you love creating serene scenery, African savannas, or stunning sunsets, this tool will blow you away. Stick around until the end because I'll introduce you to the final command, the mockup generator, which takes your art to the next level. Plus, there's a special gift waiting for you, so don't miss out. In my last video, we went over the vertical art command. Today, we're going to explore the landscape art, and we're going to make some beautiful TV and wall art. Let's start off with some African savannas. So I'm going to go ahead and click the landscape art command. And for this command, it's going to give us a template that we can use, a prompt template that we can use. And I'm going to have it go ahead and fill in the template to see what it'll give us. So fill in the details. Now it's going to generate the art based on what it filled in. And that is it. That's beautiful. I like that. Okay, let's try to get a little bit more specific. Well, I'll just say random landscape, and let's do a sunset theme. And see what it gives us. Oh, that's beautiful. Quick and easy. I love it. So what we're going to do is pop these two into Canva. I have created a couple mock-ups. I've created two mock-ups, actually three, and all three of these were created in the Artisan AI tool using a mockup command. And then I just added an overlay of a frame so that we'll be able to pop it inside of this TV frame. So let's go ahead and do that. And just like that, it's created. So let's go and do the second one. Beautiful, nice. Okay, and let's go and let's generate another one. Let's say, I'm just going to say random landscape and let it pick theme. You pick the theme. And voila, it's done. It gave us a magical feel. Nice. Copy image. Let's go over to our third mockup. Pop that in. And there we go. Okay, let's create a few more. And I like this one, so we'll duplicate that one and then detach the picture. And let's do another one of this. duplicate the page. Slide these over here. Attach the image. And attach image. And this one looks like it needs a little bit of more work. You get to kind of see a preview of how I do my mock-ups. We'll be discussing it more in the next video. But because I see that it's a little off track, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this now. Let's move that over just a little bit. Okay. And then lock it. Just lock it so it can stay in position. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say random, and this time we'll add a woman to it. So let's say random, gorgeous, African American woman in stained glass artwork. Make sure her full hairstyle is shown. All right. Okay, there we have it, but it needs to be landscape, so we're going to say redo and make sure it is in landscape. Okay, beautiful. Cut it off a little bit at the top, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and copy image, bring it in here. Now what I'm going to try to do is see if we can do some little editing. So let's go over here and magic expand. See if we can get the top created. I love to use Canva to edit the images to make them just right. And features like this will require the pro version of Canva, just to let you know. And it did, let's see, which one do I want? I guess the first one will be fine. It's still a little bit, but it's okay. A little bit off at the top, but we'll leave it at that. And beautiful. Love it. Okay, let's try a few more. Let's say random landscape. Let's try a different artwork. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. What are the artwork styles we can use? Let's see if it's gonna list all the art we style, and we'll choose one from the list. Okay. It's listing up things that we can do with the vertical wall art, square, and technically it's saying it's for a certain size, but we can use any of this artwork for any of the sizes. Okay, it is suggesting let's do photorealistic nature. That's a different one. Okay. Random, beautiful African American woman. Make sure her entire hairstyle is shown because it loves to cut off her hair. And let's see, Random photolistic nature, a beautiful African American woman. Make sure her entire hairstyle shown. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that is beautiful. Ah, I love that. Okay, it did cut off a little bit at the top, but we're going to just go ahead and add this to Canva. And we'll use the second mock-up. And I love it. Beautiful. Okay, let's see if it can give us another one, and we'll use this last mock-up frame. And I'm just going to copy and paste the same one that I put right here. And don't want to do anything else. Random photolistic nature. Beautiful. After I'll say she is smiling. Smiling. And let's see what it gives us. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Let's see if we can do this one more. Give me a totally different one. Only because half her body's not shown, but that one is cute. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, we're gonna pop that one into our last frame, last mock-up. Oh, love it. That is really nice. So as you see, that was quick and easy. You don't need any prompts. Just give it a few details and you have some gorgeous wall art, TV art that you can sell on Etsy, Shopify, Payhip, or any other online platform. And that's how you create stunning landscape or TV art in minutes using Artisan AI. Whether for personal use or as digital products, this tool makes it so easy to design wide format pieces that transform any space. And in my next video, I'll show you how to use the mockup generator command, which allows you to display your artwork in stylish, realistic room settings that you saw. This is perfect for showcasing your designs professionally. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with the themes or designs you'd like to see next. And remember to grab your free images. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.